Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a LinkedIn About section with Grammarly Polishing easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the me icon at the top. In the profile section, locate the About section. If you don't have an About section yet, click the Add button. If you already have one, click the pencil icon to edit. Write a brief introduction about yourself, including your professional background and goals. Ensure to keep the tone professional but approachable. Once you've drafted your content, copy it to your clipboard. Open Grammarly in a new tab or window. If you don't have Grammarly, consider downloading the extension or using their website. Paste your drafted text into Grammarly to check for spelling and grammatical errors. Review the suggestions provided by Grammarly. Make necessary adjustments to improve clarity and readability. Once satisfied with the changes, copy the polished text back to your clipboard. Return to your LinkedIn profile. Paste the revised content into the About section. Make sure to format your text for easier reading, using line breaks or bullet points if necessary. Before finalizing, read through your About section one last time to ensure it reflects you accurately. Finally, click Save to update your profile. Your LinkedIn About section is now polished and ready to impress potential connections and employers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.